So I just thought I'd show you. That's very hot water going in there now, straight out of there. And I put a bit of this stuff in there. That's what I clean everything with. So as soon as it's finished up here, I've already sprinkled a bit of this stuff in there, in that bucket of hot water. I'll rinse that out, get most of the hop matter out of the kegel, and then I'll dump that bucket of hot water in there and I'll give it a good scrub. Really scrub it, because like, look at all that stuff on the side there. So I scrub it right up straight away, then I don't have to worry about it later. And then I basically just sit it upside down, give it a rinse, let it dry, and then I just store it away until the next time I use it, and then I just fill it full of sanitizer, give it a swish. Then I start my brew day, basically, or the day before my brew day. I always fill the kegel up with water the night before. So yeah, use a bit of that. Aseptox nettoyant sans rinçage, so cleaner without rinsing, but I always rinse because it's a kind of like an acid thing. This is the thing that you don't rinse, Star San. Always have a bottle of it handy. That's the bottle that I have handy, and yeah, that's it. I've got this little temperature probe set up because over the winter I thought that it might get too hot in the garage because I've got this big radiator in here. So I set this temperature gauge up, and I bought like a seedling mat because I was going to wrap the thing in it if it even got too cold. But anyway, nothing ended up happening. So I normally just ferment, literally sitting it right there next to all this junk, or sometimes up on the top there. I move the toolbox over, put it near the radiator if it's too cold, and that's it. Like, I just ferment it just as is. I don't really worry too much. It's normally about 20 to 22 degrees in here most of the time. In the really hot days it gets up to 25 easily in here, probably more, but it is out of the sun and it's like thick insulation. So yeah.